Everyone, how are you? I'm also fine. My dear students, already day before yesterday, some of the students from 7th standard, they performed an activity regarding mathematics, right? So one more activity regarding mathematics. So we know that some of the greatest mathematicians are there in our country, especially Srinivasa Ramanujan. Everyone knows that. Some other mathematicians also there in our country, which we need to know. So to introduce those mathematicians, now 9th standard students are waiting here. Let us welcome them with your huge round of applause.
Good morning everyone, it's my pleasure to introduce myself. I am Lohita of 9th standard. They are my friends Lakshmi, Madhavi, Kalpana, Akila, Juhita Priya, Vijay Lakshmi, Maunika, Deepika and Vedakshari. Today we are here to give speech on great Indian mathematicians. Now I am going to tell about Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan was one of the greatest Indian mathematicians. He was born on 22nd December 1887 in Erode, Tamil Nadu, India. He made great contributions to mathematical analysis, number theory, infinite series and continued fractions. His most famous discovery was the infinite series of pi. He received the K. Ranganatha Rao Award for mathematics in 1904. He introduced the Hardy Ramanujan number 1729. He was died on 26th April 1920 at the age of 32. Now I am going to tell about Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was born on 476 AD and he was died on 550 AD. He is the one of the most renowned Indian mathematicians. He discovered the zero in 5th century. He discovered trigonometry and solar system rotation. And approximately he finded the value of pi is 62,832 by 20,000 equals to 3.1416.
Now I am here to tell about Brahmagupta. Brahmagupta is one of the most famous Indian mathematician and astronomer. Zero and eight operation were first defined by Brahmagupta. He was born in 598 AD. He spent most of his life in Binmar, a place in Rajasthan. He was first mathematician to provide formula for the cyclic quadrilateral. Brahmagupta work Brahmasputa Siddhant, containing many findings. He was died in 670 AD.
Now I am going to tell about Bhaskara. Bhaskara was the great Indian mathematician. He was born in 11,014 CE in Vijayadavira, Maharashtra. His other name is Bhaskaracharya. His main interests are algebra, arithmetic and trigonometry. His notable works are his other name was Bhaskaracharya. His main interest in algebra, arithmetic and trigonometry. His notable works are Bijaganita, Siddhanta Shiromani, Gruhaganita, etc.
Now I am here to tell about C.R. Rao. C.R. Rao was born on 10th September 1920. His full name was Kalyampuri Radhakrishna Rao. He was a professor at Pennsylvania State University and Research University at Buffalo. And he was died on 22nd August 2023. In 2023, he got award International Prize in Statistics.
Now I am going to tell about D.R. Kaprekar. He was born on 17th January 1905 at Dehanu, Bombay Presidency, India. He got awards in 1927. He won the Wrangler R.B. Paranjpai Mathematical Prize for an original piece of work in mathematics. His full name was Dattatreya Ramchandra Kaprekar.
His occupation was a school teacher. In 1949, Kaprekar discovered an interesting property of the number 6174, which was subsequently named the Kaprekar constant. Kaprekar constant is used in cytography to generate random numbers for encryption and decryption purposes. Kaprekar constant can be used to find prime numbers. He was died on 1986 at the age of 81 at Devlali, Maharashtra, India.
Now I am going to tell about Satyendranath Bose. Satyendranath Bose was born on 1st January 1894 at Calcutta, Bengal Presidency, British India. He got awarded the Padma Vibhushan Fellow of the Royal Society. He was an physicist, quantum mechanicist and mathematician. He is best known for his work on quantum mechanics. He was awarded with the Indian second highest civilian award Padma Vibhushan in 1954 by the Government of India. In 1920s, the Indian scientist Satyendranath Bose discovered that one of the classes of particles which came to be known as boson. He was died on 4th February 1974 at the age of 80 at Calcutta, West Bengal, India.
Now I am going to tell about Harishchandra Mehrotra. He was born on 11th October 1923 in Kanpur, British India, and he was an Indian American mathematician and physicist who did fundamental work in representation theory, especially harmonic analysis on semi-simple on group. Awards Fellow of Royal Society, Cole Prize in Algebra in 1954, Srinivasa Ramanujan Medal, and he died on 16th October 1983 at the age of 60 years.
Now I am going to tell about Mr. P.C. Mahana Bose. His full name was Prasant Chandra Mahala Bose. He was born on 29 June 1893 at Kolkata in Bengal Presidency of British India. He founded the Indian Statistics Institution ISI at Kolkata in 1931. He was died on 28 June 1972, and he was known also as a Fellow of the Royal Society. And every year we are celebrating National Statistics Day on 28 June for his birthday anniversary.
Now I am going to tell about Narendra Karmakar. Narendra Karmakar full name was Narendra Krishna Karmakar. He was born on 1959 in Madhya Pradesh, India. He completed his studies in B.Tech in Bombay and a PhD in California. He invented one of the first probably polynomial times linear programmation, and he is alive up to now. He receives many awards for algorithms. Karmakar develops the Karmakar algorithms.
Now we are going to ask some questions. What was the most famous discovery of the Srinivasa Ramanujan? Now I reveal the answer. What was the famous discovery of the Srinivasa Ramanujan?
Anyone who knows the answer can come up onto the stage. Attentive listening is very important.
The answer is infinite series of pi. I repeat, infinite series of pi.
What is the approximately value of pi that Aryabhatta discovered? I repeat, what is the approximately value of pi that Aryabhatta discovered? 0. So, who knows the answer? Please come up on the dice. Sorry, your answer is absolutely wrong. The answer is 62,832 by 20,000 equals to 3.1416. I repeat, 62,832 by 20,000 equals to 3.1416.
Who defined 0 and 8 operations? Who knows the answer? Please come up on the dais and tell the answer.
Nikshita, I am studying 9th standard. The answer is Brahmagupta. Your answer is absolutely right. What is the other name of Bhaskara? Yes, your answer is absolutely right. Thank you for giving us this great opportunity.
Thank you, my dear students, and thank you, ma'am, for encouraging students for the activities. So, my dear students, attentive listening, I told you many times. So, listen carefully whatever the activities they are performing here. So, up to now, we know about only few mathematicians. Now, they introduced 10 mathematicians here. So, it is very important to know about that, right? So, what are the things they said? Everything gives us knowledge, and also sometimes while writing any exam or attending any competitive quiz, at that time these things are very useful. Okay. So is there anybody celebrating their birthdays? So today Arun Kumar of 7th standard, Lucky of 7th standard, both are going to celebrate their birthdays today. Let us all together wish them. Do you have common friend in your class? Who is he? Harish. Harish and Ajay. Harish and Ajay, come up onto the stage. Come fast. Come fast. Any more happy news of the day? May God bless.